Hello everyone, my name is Miss Melissa. Some of you might know me from the Lurton Library, and currently I work with the Kingstown Library. Now sometimes in the summertime when it gets hot, some of you might be craving a cool, delicious treat. And today I'm going to show you how to make a slushie using science. No blender or kitchen gadgets required. You can make the slushie using some basic materials you can find around your own home. Just make sure to ask a grown-up first. So you'll need some salt, some water, a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag, a glass or cup. Also, you could use a gallon-sized Ziploc bag instead of a cup, and some sort of sweet drink such as a juice. You could kind of try whatever you want, just something that is pretty tasty. And for our first step, we're gonna go ahead and take our sandwich-sized Ziploc bag and pour in 1/2 cup water very carefully. All right, so once we've poured in that 1/2 cup of water, we're gonna go ahead and take a teaspoon of salt and mix that inside the bag. Go ahead and seal up the bag. Make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a good swish to mix it up, and go ahead and put your Ziploc bag in the freezer for several hours or overnight and wait for it to turn to ice so we can move on to the next step. Now that our ice is frozen, we're ready to make our slushie. You can either use a glass or a cup or a gallon-sized Ziploc bag with 6 ounces or so of juice inside. If you're using the cup, just put the juice in the cup. If you're using the gallon-sized Ziploc bag, you'll pour the juice directly inside very carefully. Now, if you're using the gallon-sized Ziploc bag, you'll have the juice inside and just drop your small bag inside, and then you'll seal it up to shake. If you're using the cup, you'll go ahead and just kind of place it right in the cup just like this, and then hold it over the sink and start shaking. Now, either way, if you're using the bag or the cup and kind of shaking like this, I would make sure to do it over the sink just to cut down on the mess. Now, you'll be wanting to shake for several minutes. It's going to take some time for those ice crystals to start forming to make your slushie. You want to give it a good shake and just be patient and keep on shaking. Now, the reason that this works is because the salt in the ice lowers the temperature that the ice melts at. And in order to melt, it absorbs heat from the liquid around it. And since the juice is warmer than the ice, it absorbs the heat from the juice, which makes the juice colder, and that's why it turns into a slushie. Now, you're welcome to experiment with other kinds of drinks. You could try milk, water, whatever you want to do to kind of see how different liquids might react to this experiment. Now, you'll go ahead and keep on shaking for several minutes and wait for the science to happen. Refreshing. Well, if you enjoyed making a slushie, be sure to check out recipes for ice cream in a bag. If you do a search online, there's a lot of great ideas. It's based on similar science. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out Fairfax County Public Library's social media pages and website for more virtual programs and activities you can do from home. Have a great day.